Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I have some friend mail. And Camille is right here. Well, she was sitting there, so I thought I'd show her to you, but if she's moving, then I'll go back over this way. I got a big box from Betty Vick. Betty Vick is a wonderful subscriber of mine and of many channels. She's she's become a really good friend. I really love Betty, and she told me she was going to send me, well, she told me she wanted to send me some snacks, but then I was going out of town. She wanted them to get here so I could like maybe eat them on the plane, maybe. I'm not for my travels, but my schedule, I went sooner than she thought. So she sent it now, and let's see what's in here. There are some notes. Oh my goodness. Betty likes to go overboard. This is, I should show you the box, but I was trying not to show the, you see it in the thumbnail. I don't want to show any, it's this big box. That is the large flat rate box. That is a big box, and there's a lot of things in here. It says, "Welcome home, Mary." I'll give you a flash of her cute little notes. Inside you will find some stationery and a baking tool for festive crusts. You have been so busy this fall, I thought you wouldn't have time for a TJ Maxx run. Enjoy the snacks, and remember, all of the Ipsy mailers with the black ribbon are empties. Okay, she told me she was going to send me some of these envelopes because I do use them for giveaways, you know, to wrap things up nice. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, Betty. These are so cute. These little papers are Hello Kitty, and they're Hello Kitty in different locations around the world. You can see. Can you see that? Hello Kitty. Whoops. Hello Kitty on an airplane. Hello Kitty here at this bridge. This beautiful, wherever that is. It says Gaspard et Lisa. I don't know how to pronounce it. I don't know. That sounds sort of French to me, but I could be wrong. So let's see what's in here. It's in here tight. I'm sure. Always check your Ipsy bag for anything in there. Oh, there's a note. There's a note. Oh, look at this. Oh my goodness. Betty finds, I'm sorry, my camera. What happened to my camera? It sort of fell over. Betty finds the cutest stationery things. Okay, this says, "Mary, the next time you send friend mail to Cece, could you include this tiny tart lippy? Cece is its rightful owner." Okay, yes, I will. I definitely will. It's all wrapped up. It's all wrapped up. So I hope that was okay to say. This spoon is for walking paw prints across all of your holiday pies. Oh, okay. And it's also, it says it's from Temu. This is that's what it says, Gaspard et Lisa. And then it says Hello Kitty. So here is Hello Kitty having tea with some little friends. I know that Betty has sent me those little papers before. They're so cute. They're little sticky notes. So let's see what, oh, this is adorable. Look at that. So it looks like a spoon, and then when you're making a pie, you would just press that into your dough, and then it'll look, hey, when I was a kid, we had Misty, and she jumped up on, my mom had the pies out on the cedar chest, and she jumped up on and right into the pumpkin pie. So there was a couple spots in the pumpkin pie. So, but yeah, my mom didn't put them there anymore after that. So there is this beautiful, oh my goodness, there's so many beautiful things. Let me see. There, oh, look at this, y'all. These are notebooks, which I adore. I write. And this is a bird, a very handsome bird, I might add. And then there's two in here. The other one is a beautiful kitty cat. So look at that. She's got a beautiful brooch on. Beautiful. So I could open these, but they're shrink wrapped at the moment. We'll see in a minute. And there's some stickers. These are from the Noble collection. Look how cute those are. There's 2 packages of those. Can you see them? I will definitely be using them. You know, if you journal, that's nice for journaling too. And there is this adorable package. This is Daiso, D-A-I-S-O, from Japan. And these are little papers or cards. Let's see what they are. I think, let's see. Is that envelopes? Oh, yeah. These are little envelopes with cards. So, little cards. How cute are those? They're all the same. And then there's little envelopes to put them in. So, when I send out a giveaway, I can write you a little note and put it in here. How cute is that? Although I may not want to get rid of those because I may want to just keep all those for myself. So I may not share them, but you know I probably will. I'll write little notes to people. How cute is that? Betty, you find the cutest things. Where do you find all these cute things? Okay, now the box has a ton. Oh my goodness, y'all. I've got snacks for days. We've got, let me show it to you and then I'll read it to you. This is from Nature's Garden, dark chocolate covered pretzels. Oh my goodness. Powered by plants, no high fructose corn syrup, no trans fat, and no hydrogenated oils. Delicious taste. I love chocolate covered pretzels. Yum, 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 yum. Oh my goodness. Oh, and this brand I've had many times. Sanders. This is Small Batch Wonders milk chocolate sea salt caramels. Oh my goodness, I love the sea salt caramels. These are my favorite things. Oh my goodness, y'all. There's more. There's more. Oh, now, Betty, have you been shopping with me before? Betty lives all the way in California. This is Walker Brothers, the Scotty Dog shortbread. I love shortbread. Love. This is adorable. But let's open this up because it's fabric. Well, maybe not. Let's see how that is in there. I want to see how that's packaged. Pure butter mini Scotty Dog shortbreads. Oh, okay. It is in a tray like that. And they are little minis. Can you see? They're little minis. But the way that the package was, it had this, but that's how it is. I thought it was, the actual package was going to have the Scottish plaid on there also. But these, oh my goodness. With tea or with coffee, love it, love it, love it. My favorite cookie is a shortbread cookie. Okay, Camille. Let me see what's in. There is something in there for you, Camille. Let's see. It says, this is for Blue, Smudge, and Camille. The pom-pom gun is from Temu. Oh, that spoon was from Temu also. Let me take that off there so you can see. Oh, look at that, y'all. So this, I'm going to have, oh, they're going to have fun with this. Look at that pretty bow and everything, y'all. Camille is sitting on snacks. This is adorable. Okay, there is digestive support packed with pre and probiotics. This is Shameless Pets Cran You Say Chicken. Okay, and that is chicken and cranberry flavored crunchy cat treats. Upcycled cranberries. Oh, they're in little, I don't know if you can see that, but they're little star shaped. They'll love them. They'll love them. What is upcycling? We rescue nutritious food. We turn it into healthy treats for your cats. Sustainable for all of us. That's wonderful. And then look at this, y'all. Oh my goodness. This is a little gun, and you shoot off these pom-poms. I'll have to, okay. I'll have to figure it out. This, I think, is you're gonna push it in. Now, Camille is in the box right here. Okay, you push it in, and then, well, hang on, I'm not sure what you do. Not sure. I'll have to figure it out because I can't get it to shoot. Maybe I did that wrong. I pushed it back, but then I'll have to play around with it. Oh, it got stuck. It got stuck. It's my fault. Okay. I'll have to figure it out. I'll figure it out. Okay, Camille, may I get into the box? Okay. No, she's on top of everything. Ooh, look at this. Oh, Superior Nuts. Those are the best. Superior Nut Company. This is Gourmet Tavern Mix. Oh, yummy. Honey roasted peanuts, honey roasted almonds, salted peanuts, salted pretzels, and honey roasted sesame chips. And I can see some pretzels in there also. Oh my goodness. Love, love, love everything. I love everything, Betty. Okay, Camille. Watch out, lovey. Oh, she doesn't want to get out. Let's see what's in there. Okay, that might be, okay, here's the Ipsy. Okay, here we go. Oh, Betty, you're so nice. This is, she sent me these so that I can use them for giveaways, which will be wonderful. And then there's also this wonderful piece. So all of this will get upcycled. Upcycled like the snack said. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, Betty. So I have the Walker's shortbread, love, love, love. I love all of these snacks. The Sanders, these, nobody will have these but me. These are rich. You have one at a time or even half at a time. Wonderful. Wonderful. This fabulous gourmet tavern mix. Love it, love it, love it. The dark chocolate covered pretzels. Love it, love it, love it. And the snacks for the cats. They will love this. And I would like to try to figure out this gun. I might have to. I see how this goes. This pulls back when you pull it back. Oh, maybe that's what I was supposed to do. Okay. I'm thinking, I don't know, y'all. Maybe I have to shoot it that way. There it goes. Oh, did you all see that? I finally figured it out, and now Camille's not here anymore. So you pull it back and put this in. This is so cute. This is funny. I think they're over there eating. So I'm going to try it again. Let's see if it'll show. Oop, okay. That one, I'm not good at aiming, so I'll have to practice with my aim, but this is going to be so much fun. And I'll tell you, these here, right, these are little pom-poms, and they're a little squishy. Blue is going to love these things. He likes to carry these things in his mouth. And Camille, these will all be under the couch in a matter of minutes, and I'll have to get the yardstick and pull them out of the couch, out from under the couch. There's a lot of them. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Betty. You are so sweet and kind to me. You're so good to me. Betty takes care of me, and I appreciate it very much. Thank you so much, Betty, and I'll make sure this gets to CC. Thank you so much, y'all, for stopping by and seeing what I got. Look at this. Every single thing is adorable. I love that. I love that. And oh, I was going to show you this. Let me cut the shrink wrap off of this. I have to be careful, and then I'll be careful with it. I got this beautiful scissor from Temu. Pretty. I needed some little scissors right here because I was using big scissors and then I'd lose them all the time. Oops. Okay, let's see. These are little books. Well, they're actually a good size book. So look at how pretty these are. Okay, so they're bound. They're lined. And then the center, if you can see, it's bound with thread. I can't quite find the center, but you can see it's bound with thread. And this one says CatLady on the back. It says, after winning 16 straight scratch-it lotto tickets, this lady realized she'd been lied to her entire life, and she wasn't bad luck at all. Word got out, and now the citizens of her town look forward to her crossing their path. The Berkeley Bestiary. Okay. And then this one says, Robin, gentlemen, the old adage is half right with this guy. Although he does wake up extremely early, this Robin will always opt for a stack of hot waffles over a cold morning worm. So these are really, oh, look at how pretty. The inside cover is red, is orangey there. And then the front is probably going to be orange, yes. And then lined paper. So you can keep all kinds of notes. You can journal in these. This one has this beautiful burgundy. I'd say that's burgundy. Beautiful. Thank you so much, Betty. I love them. I love them, love them. And these little things. Love it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And y'all, thanks. I don't know what's happening to my camera stand, but it won't stay straight. So y'all, this away, but thank you for stopping by and count your blessings, everyone. Thank you so, so much, Betty. I love you all so much. Take care. Bye-bye.